race to protect America is being led by a growing U.S. company that's better known for its spray-on truck bedliners. Southern California-based LINEX Corporation makes a U.S. government-approved blast-proof paint that's sprayed onto buildings.
The LINEX polymer is stronger than steel, but unlike steel, it's elastic, so it can absorb the impact from a bomb blast.
The product now protects the walls of the U.S. Pentagon, the Washington Naval Base, and the Federal Building in downtown New York. New Mexico Tech's Explosive Research Center recently conducted the latest round of tests on this new product.
We've got an office setting with somebody in it. This is an exact duplicate of the other room.
The explosive charge contains 200 pounds of TNT and 5 pounds of C4.
4, 3, 2, 1.
The dummy itself has been decapitated, and we certainly have complete failure in this room.
Building fragmentation causes over 80% of the casualties in a bomb blast. The protected wall remains intact, and the interior is undisturbed. With all the talk about terror prevention, LINEX is one company that's taking action to address the issue.